Today, I'll show you how to filter a table in Confluence. Filtering a table helps you focus only on the information you need. This is useful when your page has a long table with tasks, owners, statuses, dates, priorities, departments, or project details. First, open Confluence and go to the page that contains your table. If your information is stored in a Confluence database, open the database view. At the top of the view, click Filter. Now choose the column or field you want to filter by. For example, if your table has a status column, you can filter the table to show only items marked in progress, blocked, or done. Next, choose the condition. Depending on the field type, you may see options like is not, contains, does not contain, before, after, or similar choices. Now enter or select the value you want to filter. After applying the filter, Confluence will update the table and show only the matching rows. If you want to narrow the results further, click Add Filter and create another condition. For example, you can filter by status and also by assignee, so the table only shows tasks assigned to a specific person with a specific status. If you are using a normal static table on a Confluence page and you do not see a filter button, filtering may not be available by default. In that case, you can move the information into a Confluence database, use a spreadsheet-style table, or ask your admin to install a table filtering app from the Atlassian Marketplace. After the filter is applied, review the visible rows to make sure the table shows the information you need. Then click Publish or Update if you made changes to the page. And that's it. You now know how to filter a table in Confluence. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.